Why does this always happen to me?
Use this one. Take the seatbelt off. Don't try and open the door when you've got your seatbelt on.
Add intake, more content. The channel ran back on my mind today. I need you to come back, yo. Never got to finish. Hope everything is okay, mate. I miss your vids. We need you back. We need you back. We need you back. We need you back. Same dude, just same thing every time. Cheers from the US. Sweet. Miss you, bud. Hope you and your Z are well. Yeah, me too, man. Love this. 100% the most underrated channel. Where'd you go, man? We missed the hilarity. No, where did I go? Excellent beer choice, mate. I love Sapporo. Me too, dude. Fuck yeah, I've been waiting for this for ages. This is intake, this is Project Z, or Z if you're in the US, and this is my new garage, which is why we haven't filmed for a little while, because I've been cleaning it out. But we're back with this can of Asahi. Here to smash gears and sink beers. Welcome to Ready Steady Intake. On today's show, we'll be cooking up this decal installation on the back of Project Z. For that, you'll need, of course, the base ingredient, as well as 500ml beer, because it's a big beer job. If you haven't got one of those, it's a 2 beer job. And a cloth to give the car a wipe down, maybe some general wax and grease remover. Who the fuck left their phone on while filming? That's 1 beer. Me. Wax and grease remover to wipe down the back of the car if it's not already clean after a general wash. Let's get into it. First thing you're going to need to do is give your car a bit of a wipe down. That's if you haven't, or if you have already cleaned it. If you haven't cleaned it, clean it. Wax and grease remover, wipe this down. This is pretty clean already. The rest of the car's shit ass. But anyway, this come from RGS Performance in Sydney, Australia. He stocks lots of new old stock and no longer available parts. But this is a genuine Nissan decal for the back of this car. It is made to fit in the little gap there. Sweet. We're all made to fit in the little gap. So what you got to do, find the edge. Aha. Put that shape while gently pulling it tightly. Get your cloth, rub it on. And then pull it off. And that's how people know it's a Nissan Fairlady. One beer job. You guys wanted content? Some content. Don't have anything else for you. It's not like my motor's blown up and I need a new motor. Hey guys, it's Stipper here, obviously from Intake. I know we haven't filmed anything recently, been pretty busy. Ben, our cameraman, producer, director, basically the guy behind the camera that does everything apart from talk and drink beers, he's super busy with a cinematography career of his own. I mean, I got a family upstairs, moved house, but we are back. We wanted to film some more stuff. Obviously done some stuff to the Z over the past year, which we'll talk about in a future episode. The motor is Cactus, so we're gonna get a new motor. We do have some ideas for some projects. I still want to put a big spoiler on here. I want to put some old school HKS graphics on here. I'm super keen to do some work in the garage. If you guys are keen to see that as well, let us know in the comments below. But a lot of the projects that we're up to now sort of require outsourcing. I can't do everything. Yeah, I can put a spoiler on, but I can't apply a whole entire vinyl sheet to a car or roll the wheel arches or anything like that. So it's going to be a bit more difficult to film projects, but we do want to do it, and that's why I mean, I consider myself a home handyman. I fuck up around the house as much as everyone else out there. So we do want to do some stuff around here. If you guys want to see how to improve your garage as well as your car, I'd like to hear about that in the comments, because we've got some ideas of what to do there. But we do want to do stuff for you. I'd like to thank everyone for all the messages. We got an extra 1,500 subscribers without making any content, which is great because it just showed you your support. And yeah, I really want to thank you guys for that. So stay tuned. Send us some messages. I'm always happy to respond back to people. Talk about other stuff with, other stuff with other cars. Subaru's gone. Ironically, little head gasket. So who saw that coming? Thanks heaps, guys.